Members of the United HYNNIEWTREP movement (UHM) had met Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya PRESTONE TYNSONG on the 26th of April 2021 to apprise him of the recent incident at SABA MUKROH in West JAINTIA Hills, where members of the organization had been attacked by people belonging to the KARBI tribe of ASSAM. After the meeting, the Joint Secretary of the UHM central body, BANSHAI MARBANIANG, informed that the Deputy Chief Minister has termed the incident as serious and had promised to look into the matter. MARBANIANG also added that certain demands have been put to the government and all the 3 district councils within the state to come up with a land bill to protect the people of Meghalaya living in the border between Bangladesh and India and within the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya. The organization has also demanded the posting of state police in these border areas to secure safety to residents of all border areas in the state.
That's why we push the state government to send a police force to the border areas. For what? Because of safety of the people living in that areas. That is why we as the organization will have to take initiative, we have to take care for this matter, not only by pushing the state government, and then also we'll have to take care from time to time, we'll watch regarding this matter. If the state government didn't take action, the organization should demand the state authority to look in the matter concerned as soon as possible concerning toward the state appeal of the organization today, and also with the meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister today. If the government didn't take initiative, if the government didn't take any action, the organization will take another resort or other measures in regarding towards the government fails to comply with our suggestion in this matter in interest of the people residing along in the interstate border of Meghalaya and Assam.